Horse, Chapter 6.
Knob,
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 knob. A knob is a round handle on a door or drawer which you use in order to open or close it. These were knobs for hot water. Number 2.
suds,
Suds.
suds,
Suds. Suds are the bubbles that are produced when a substance such as soap is mixed with water. He never managed to use his bar of soap, which was just as well because he wouldn't have had time to rinse off the suds. Number 3.
mop up,
Mop
mop up,
Mop up. If you mop up liquid, you clean it up or remove it from somewhere using something that absorbs it. He ate it all and used his slice of white bread to mop up the juice. Number 4.
retrieve, retrieve,
Retrieve. If you retrieve something, you get it back from the place where you left it. By the time Stanley retrieved it, he had missed his bus and had to walk home. Chapter 7.
dent,
Dent.
dent,
A dent is a hollow in the surface of something which has been caused by hitting or pressing it. He tried to jam it into the earth, but the blade banged against the ground and bounced off without making a dent. Number 2.
shaft,
Shaft.
shaft,
Shaft. A shaft is a long, thin piece of wood or metal that forms part of a spear, axe, golf club, or other object. The vibrations ran up the shaft of the shovel and into Stanley's wrists, making his bones rattle. Number 3.
lukewarm,
Lukewarm.
lukewarm,
Lukewarm. Something, especially a liquid that is lukewarm, is only slightly warm. For breakfast, they'd been served some kind of lukewarm cereal.
forlorn,
Forlorn.
forlorn,
Forlorn. If someone is forlorn, they feel alone and unhappy. Madame Jeremy had to see Elliot so forlorn.
sow,
Sow. A sow is an adult female pig. It just so happens my sow gave birth to a litter of piglets yesterday, she said.
runt,
Runt.
runt,
Runt. The runt of a group of animals born to the same mother at the same time is the smallest and weakest of them. There is one little runt whom she won't suckle.
suckle,
Suckle.
suckle,
Suckle. When a mother suckles her baby, she feeds it by letting it suck milk from her breast. There is one little runt whom she won't suckle.
Excavate. Excavate.
Excavate. To excavate means to dig a hole in the ground, for example, in order to build there. It expanded when it was excavated.
Preposterous.
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 Preposterous. If you describe something as preposterous, you mean that it is extremely unreasonable and foolish. That's preposterous, exclaimed Igor, expelling saliva as he spoke.
Wharf.
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 Wharf. A wharf is a platform by a river or the sea where ships can be tied up. After leaving Mira's house, Elia wandered aimlessly through the town until he found himself down by the wharf.
Pier.
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 Pier. A pier is a platform sticking out into water, usually the sea, which people walk along or use when getting onto or off boats. He sat on the edge of the pier and stared down into the cold black water.